We are one big yellow family, and that's what brings us together. It's the yellow color. I always say in our business it's yellow inside. There's this roadside assistance thing, and I think that we are, as a club, as the clubs in general, the ones who can do this the best, because that's our main thing. That's our lifeline.
Seveda, umetna inteligenca nas spremlja in nas bo spremljala, pa vendar na koncu je še vedno nekdo, ki mora priti na mesto okvare, zamenjati pnevmatiko ali pomagati za dodatnim virom energije vozilo, da končno zažene. Torej, umetna inteligenca je seveda prisotna in bo čedalje bolj prisotna, kot pravijo, vendar na koncu servis provajdamo ljudje.
Smo majhni, ampak prepoznavni, dobri, smo nasplošno dobri. Veliko novega znanja, sicer stari avti so še vedno novi, prihajajo vsak dan, sploh električni, tega da ja, mislim, da smo kar na dobri poti do tja, ampak znanje je pa vsak dan več.
To understand the purpose of these kinds of competitions, one has to go back almost 120 years into the past, because the clubs were born to take care and to provide the right service to motorists and to their members. And what you see here is the culmination of 120 years of improvements of the service. And what we do here is we get all across Europe together. We get the best of the best that each club has to offer. And not only there will be a competition in which there will be one winner, but also this provides us with the right framework where we can share best practices, we can understand which technologies that the different clubs are applying to the different situations, and we can get better and provide better services to our members and to the road users in general, and by doing so, get the clubs to the very next level.
Yeah. We're speechless.
Yeah.
We're really, really happy. Yeah.
To learn new things, to learn new people and their cars, and to have fun.
Every club, every country does a little bit different, and it's really nice to see how they do, and so we can learn from them, and hopefully they a little bit can learn from us, and it's just fun. Yeah, like she said.
I think women can also do this job, and so why not? And I like it and I love it, and so I have much fun at my job.
It's nice to see how different we are working. Yeah, it's a big difference because we can see that many of them, ADAC and the Dutchmen on AA, have been trained a lot. We haven't do that in Denmark, but we have a knowledge because we have been technicians many years before we get into that color of clothes. So we know a lot about the cars. There comes every day there be something new that we haven't seen before. That's the reason why we do that. It's good to do that every day, see new things, make people happy.